Shout out to both Mari Savannah and Nails Corner. You both get the secret emoji shout out. Thank you so much for your support. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do marble nails. You're going to start by getting your nail set, and you have to have like a top coat over your nails, and you need whatever color nail polish and acetone nail polish remover. I got mine from Five Below, but you can get it from Dollar Tree. You're going to need your polygel brush, and you're possibly going to need a nail art brush. And I'm going to start by taking my nail art brush and just squiggle a pattern onto the nail, and you don't want the lines to be too thick or too thin, and you also don't want your lines to be like sharp lines. You want them to be squiggly, so not as sharp as mine, just a little more squiggly. Once you have finished drawing out your pattern, you're going to take your polygel brush and dip it in the acetone nail polish remover and pat out your line. Now you don't want to keep it as a line, you want it to spread out, so you'll have traces of nail polish everywhere, if that makes sense. You don't really want to keep it as a line, so just keep patting. Some of it is going to start disappearing. That's fine, that's what you want. By the way, I got this method from Natali Carmona. If you want a really good marble nail video, go watch her video. I'll leave the thumbnail on this video, and I will leave her video linked in the description box, so go check that out. She has a really good video, and she just has really good videos, like nail videos. So if you like nail videos, you should definitely check her out. You've probably already seen her, but I got this method from her. Now for the next layer, you're going to take your brush again, and you're going to draw the exact same pattern that you drew before. All the lines you drew before, draw that again and again. You don't want the lines as sharp as mine. You kind of want them squiggly, so they'll look like a better marble. But draw the exact same pattern again and make it a little thinner than the last time you drew it. Now dip your polygel brush in the acetone nail polish remover, and this time, instead of trying to spread it out, we're going to try to get like a background type of marble for your pattern. So you don't want it to spread out so much. You still want it to be like a visible pattern, but you don't want them to still be lines, like straight up lines. So you're going to spread it out just a little bit, but not as much as the first time. Now for the third and final layer, you're going to take your nail art brush and you're going to draw the exact same pattern, except you want your lines to be way thinner than before, and again you want them to be squiggly. So draw that same pattern in the same spots, but make your lines thinner. Now, if you see anything you want to improve, you can. Like at that corner, I thought it was just way too much black polish. It just looked like a clump of polish. So I took my acetone nail polish remover and just patted away some of the nail polish, and I liked it way better. But that is it, y'all. That is the marble nail. I hope you guys liked it. Again, check out Natali's video. She has 3 different methods and she explains it way better than I can, and honestly I think hers came out better. But check out her video, and just check out her videos in general too if you like nails. But that is it, y'all. Yes, again, I did leave the secret emoji in the video, so look out for that. And thank you guys so much for commenting and subscribing and stuff. I love to see it. But I think I might start doing notification shout outs too, because I've been getting more comments than normal and a lot early, so I think I'm gonna start doing that too. But please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all liked the video. Thanks for watching.